Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a subscription box unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm excited to show you a couple of boxes that I have that are just a lot of fun. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you different curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, unboxings, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into this video. Okay, so today I have two boxes for you. I might potentially have one more. We'll see if it gets here in time to make it into this video. I'll insert it in if it does. But otherwise, we're just gonna stick with these two. So the first one is the Land of Storybooks. And then the other one, that's big, guys. It's really big. It's the Decocrated summer box. Look at this thing. It's like so heavy and so big. So I'm excited to open that one, and it's so like bright and yellow. It just makes me happy. So let's get into these boxes. Okay, so the first one we're gonna open is the Land of Storybooks. This is the second time I've gotten this box. It comes every single month, and it's, I think, about $45. I'm really good with pricing on here. I'll leave the website down below so you can go check it out if you want to. But so far, I've really enjoyed it. And it usually comes, comes with a book, not usually, it comes with a book and with some sort of craft that can be done along with the book, and a lot of just other fun things that kind of help you open it up the world of reading to your kids. You know, helping comprehension, just helping make it more fun and more imaginative, and I just really love that. So when you first open it up, this is what it's gonna look like as it slides over. So they send a little letter right here that kind of gets your kids excited for this story. So I just thought it was super cute. So this comes with a bookmark. It has a little sticker, probably in relation to the book we're reading. I don't know if Begin is the book, I'm not really sure. But then they have this really cute letter that you can read, and then Adventure is Waiting, so that's super exciting. We're gonna open this. It's gonna be loud. Hold on a second. Okay, so then we have the book in here. So it is called Begin. I have never heard this, but it's a series, it looks like. So some things, it's sometimes really nice to get series and book type subscriptions, because then I can know where to go after that. You know, I'm like, oh, we really like this book. We can go look at the next subscription. The next book in the series. And that would be lots of fun. So I'm not even sure what this is about, but I'm excited to learn. Then it has our little adventure guide. So in here, it has a bookmark as well. We cut this out last month, so you can use that to mark your book. But then there's some different adventures here. There's different questions you could ask your kids for reading comprehension. I really love how it gives you those things, like things to discuss together. There's so much helpful information. There's some different treats you could make together. I think these bear paw cookies are super cute. My kids would love doing that. And then it gives you instructions for like the craft as well that's in here that they sent to do. So that's what we have down here. And there's enough in here, I believe, for 2 kids. Like I used it for all 4 of my kids last time. They just shared and made the projects together and took turns. I think you can order extra crafts on their website if you have more kids and want them all to be able to do it. But I felt like what they sent last month was sufficient for my 4 kids, even though I think it's technically supposed to be for 2. So I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do with all these, but this looks super fun. It has some different logs in it, a lot of paint, brushes. There's some little pictures back here. You can't really see them very well. They're on the other side of the paper. You just see them through. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with this. It relates to the story, obviously. So for the Return to Secret Garden is the one we got last month. They had us make like the little door to the secret garden. They got to paint it. They got to put some like moss on it. So that was super fun. You know, so the craft relates to the story somehow. And then this as well, this might be for kites, maybe. It's kind of what it looks like, but I'm not sure. So there's this craft in there as well. So I'm really excited to look at this one. We're not done with the other book. That's the other thing. The only thing with this is we don't read the books fast enough. So we're gonna have like a backlog of these because it takes us longer than a month usually to get through a book because we're reading so many other read alouds at the same time. But so far I've really enjoyed this subscription. I like how it comes with an activity. I like how it takes a lot of the work away from me and it just makes it a lot easier for me to have my kids interested in reading and do some reading comprehension and have a craft that goes along with our reading. Okay, so future Jackie here, like super future. It's been a long time since I filmed the other unboxings for this video, and I have the Decocrated New Americana box, and so I'm really excited to open this. It is just barely June, and I usually decorate seasonally, and so just like every 3 months I'll change out all my decor, and I am really excited to change it out because it's that time to go change everything and get all the summer stuff up. I love all my spring decor, but I'm really excited to get all the summer stuff up. So when we open this box, this is what it looks like. My little head peeking out over it. I'm gonna set it over here so I don't have to hold it the whole time. But we get this little envelope, and this is super helpful because it gives a little booklet that gives you ideas for how to decorate with all this stuff, which I am not always just a natural at. So here's the booklet, and I love looking through these. I'll just sit on the couch and look through them, and they'll let you know too if this stuff's from their store or if it's from a previous box, just if you wanted to try to find it someplace else. And then it comes with this card. I really love this side. So the land of the free and the home of the brave. And then it says Happy 4th of July on this side. So you can pick what side you want to put it in. And so that's really fun. And then we're gonna open this. Let me get it open and then unwrap everything because it's always in so many boxes and it makes a huge mess in this room. But I'll open them all up and then I'll show you all the stuff. Okay, so I have everything open. So the first thing is this sign, which I think is super cute. So it says Home of the Brave under the United States. And so you could hang it up like this, or you could just like lean it against something. And I think that would be super fun. And then we have a pillowcase, which is double-sided, which I love that they do that because then you have a couple options. But I really love this side. I just love the minimalistic kind of look of it. So America the Beautiful and then established 1776. Or you could do this side, which to me is just like too bold. It's like in my face over here. But I think this side is super cute and would just love to display that one. I think that would be fun. And then there's this cute little house right here that has a little star. It has a blue roof and then this red door. But I feel like if you wanted to use it year round and not have it like a 4th of July type thing, you could just paint this white, even just the star, and then it would just be a house that you could use for display. And then the last thing in this box, so this box doesn't have as much as the big box. And I didn't mention, I think it's around $40, and they're just like specialized boxes that Decocrated comes out with, and you have to be subscribed to their bigger box in order to get this one if you want it. But then the last thing in here is this container. It reminds me of like one of those milk jugs. It's really heavy on the bottom, probably so it won't tip over. But, and it's echoey. Every time I do that, I just like hear my echo in there. But it's nice and blue, so I'm excited to see how they decorate with it. I think I've seen some like flags and stuff like that. But also, I feel like this would be super easy to paint if you don't want it to be blue. And if you wanted to use it year round for other things, I feel like it'd be really easy just to get some paint and paint it and make it a different color. And they have, I think, Facebook groups and maybe Instagram groups that do all that. They give you ideas for kind of making these things over if you don't like them the way that they are. But I'm really excited to decorate. I don't know if I'll do it today, but I'm so excited to do it. And so I'm gonna send you back to Past Jackie. Okay, let's get into this bad boy. This is the Decocrated box, and this is the summer box. If you couldn't tell, it's very happy and summery colored. I'm gonna move my water bottle because I'll just knock it over and that will be really loud. But this box is about $80 every single quarter, and I can't remember exactly how many things come in here. I feel like it's 5 to 6 usually. And they do have boxes, like special seasonal boxes that are about half that price and come with about half the products. For Christmas, Halloween, they have a 4th of July one. I don't know if that one's still available. It might be sold out. And then they also had one for Easter. So those ones you just kind of have to monitor your email and wait for, whereas you can get this one in a quarterly subscription. You could do it annually, which is a little bit cheaper. So let's open this thing up. I might move it over here so it doesn't like knock everything off the table, and then we'll start pulling some of the stuff out. Okay, so I pulled a couple things out. And guys, do you notice my hair? It looks like it has spikes coming out of it. I don't know what's going on over here. Just ignore that. But the first thing, they always have this like little envelope in here that has some art, which is super cute. It has little bees, and that kind of looks like it's gonna be a theme of this is honeybees. I don't really love bees. I don't like wasps or hornets, or I don't like bugs. Anything flying around my head I don't like. So we'll see if I like this decoration. I've never decorated with like honeybees before, so we'll see. But you could hang this up, you could put it in like a frame, and you can pick what side you like. And then we have the little booklet, it's upside down, and this has some of the design stuff in it. It will also show you some of their past things because they usually decorate with a variety of their products, so then it will let you know what box it's in. So you can know if you had that or where it was from. Some of the stuff you can find on their store online, but not all the things. So this is really good, it's helpful for me. I just like to look through it, even if I don't use the designs, I just think it's super cute. And the first thing I'm gonna show you, I'm really excited about, is this clock. I just think this is super cute. I love it. I love the mix of the metal with some of the like the leather, the camel color over here. Is that the right name? I don't know, I think so. Anyways, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I just think it's super adorable. I love it a lot. And I love knowing what time it is. So that's super cute. And then we also have this little wood decor piece that you could hang up because it has the little thing here on the back to hang it up. I've used these so many times before, but I honestly don't know what they're called. And or you could just like lean it against something, which would also be super cute. So I really like that. And then we're gonna pull some more stuff out of here. So do you think this one doesn't say empty? Usually they have the boxes say empty if there is nothing in them, which is very, very helpful. So then you're not opening those boxes. So this looks like a honeybee. Again, I don't know what I think about this, guys. I've never decorated with bees before because I don't like them. So I'm not sure if I'll like this or not. I'll have to decorate with, like, put it up with some of my other summer decorations in the next few weeks and just see how I feel about it, because I'm not sure at the moment how I feel about it. But let me get into these last two boxes inside this massive box and show you what's in those. Okay, I think we have everything out. My room always looks like a war zone after this box because everything's wrapped really well, which is great. And then all the boxes are everywhere. So the first thing that I opened is this shelf, which I think is super cute. It's very wide too, which is nice. So you could hang it up on the wall if you wanted to like put books, or you could have decorations on it. But I also saw someone say that you could just, you can just set it on something if you wanted to. If you don't want to hang it up and you're not sure where you'd put it, or you don't have anything else to match it really, you could just set it on like a bookcase and decorate it that way. It's just kind of this accent piece, which I thought was a good idea. And maybe how I'll use it, I'm not sure yet. And then we have this pillowcase. This looks like for one of those like longer rectangular pillows. I have some downstairs in my basement, but it has, again, the bee decoration on the front, which I'm unsure of, but then these are lemons, which I love lemons, so. But then I think the back is super cute, so you can put it this way or this way, and I feel like this color could be used all year round. You know, it's a very kind of neutral theme. It doesn't have bees all over it or anything like that. So I think that's super cute. And then the last thing in here is this basket, which I just think is adorable. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I like how the theme, you know, the blue kind of comes through on this too. And you could put a plant in here if you wanted, or other decorations. You could just fill it with some sort of like those little balls or something and have it be that decor piece. But I think a plant in here would be super cute. So I like that basket and I think it's adorable. So those are my subscription boxes that I have at the moment. I hope you enjoyed seeing them unboxed. Let me know below some subscription boxes that you're enjoying right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing these types of videos, and I will see you next time.